Hey YouTube, this is Reason202 and welcome to the severe weather edition of my brand new car or cars from DiecastCarsNow or any other place. So, yeah. But today the car is from DiecastCarsNow, and so yeah, this is the severe weather edition of it. We got very big storms on our way, and I hate big storms, so really crappy weather, but let's open her on up. Now I'm gonna be trying to be extra careful. It's very humid outside, so if my hands accidentally let go of the knife, then you know why, because my hands are very sweaty and it's a nice breeze, but still, bad weather. We got it open. As you can tell, it's stapled. Gosh, dang it. That was so hard. Got the receipt right here. Yes, it's the cars I wanted. Alright. So, oh yeah! I finally got it. Carl Edwards' Soaring Dreams car. My first ever Carl Edwards nationwide car. This car will be available for my series, the Sunoco series. So, comment, rate, subscribe. See you guys later.